Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain the flight modes on HOVERAir X1 Air. You can go to the app and you'll see all the flight modes. You can click on them to click on take a look, and then you'll be able to use them. The hover will just hover over something. The zoom out will fly out. The follow will follow the movement. The orbit will turn around itself, and the bird's eye will look at the view from a high distance. Then there are options that are skilled, because these are basic options. Then here are skilled options. For example, snapshot or dolly track. Or you can see that some of them are locked. They are locked because before using them, you should first get to know your device better, so you know how to use these options as well. So you can click on the option and you'll see the requirement in order to unlock this option. So for example, to unlock manual control, you need to fly with your drone for at least 5 times. Then for sidetrack, you need to complete required flights in each of the above modes. Then for smart control, you need to use 5 follow modes and 5 dolly track modes, and then you'll be able to unlock it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.